World Tech Toys ushers in a new era for RC helicopters with the Hercules Unbreakable helicopter. The Hercules can withstand up to 200 pounds of force and keep on flying. Watch as we put its strength to the test. We dropped it off a 3-story roof. Even after the impact, it still flies. It's amazing. Now let's apply 85 pounds of direct pressure. Still don't believe us? Let's double the weight, 170 pounds. Watch as the polymer body bends but never breaks. And it still flies. Now let's up the ante. Even stomping on it won't break its durable frame. The combination of metal alloys, plastic, and enhanced design features makes this the most durable RC helicopter on the market. Throw it, kick it, smash it, bang it, drop it, the Hercules keeps on flying. The full-scale digital remote has a built-in telescopic antenna and intelligent microcomputer technology for extra long range. And it has a super powerful rotor system that'll give you the speed you need when you want to go fast. With 3.5 channel control and gyroscopic technology, the Hercules has enhanced stability, making first-time flying a breeze. It also features a powerful front light and flashing taillights for low light visibility. The Hercules Unbreakable helicopter from World Tech Toys.